Are you looking to improve your credit so you can get the things you want and need, and now you're considering getting help from a professional, but you just don't know which way to turn? So there's advantages and disadvantages to hiring a credit repair company, but I'm going to explain the pros and cons. I'm going to give you a guide on how to choose a credit repair company so you don't waste time or lose any of your hard-earned money. I'm Aazim Sharp, creator and founder of Leaf Credit Solutions and author of The Ultimate Credit Repair Guide. So if you're looking for a credit repair company, there's plenty to choose from, but there are some that are just not worth the time or money you'll invest. When choosing a credit repair company, most people base their decision on the lowest price, which is the biggest mistake you could make. Everyone wants to save money, but paying for quality will help you in the long run. So I know you heard the saying before, price is what you pay, value is what you get. Some companies charge reasonable fees, and there are some that can be costly, but it's important to put costs into perspective. Think about this. If you're currently paying high interest rates because of credit, the cost of getting professional help is very small in comparison to the money you could be saving if you had better credit. So, just to let you in on a little secret, or maybe it may not be a secret, the credit repair industry has very limited regulation, and there's actually no credentials required. So there's a lot of unqualified people entering into the credit repair industry. So it's important that you know what to look for when choosing a credit repair company. I'm going to give you 4 important questions that I think you should ask before hiring a credit repair company. Asking these questions will help you avoid wasting time and money. So, can you explain your credit repair process to me? So, sending out letters isn't a strategy. They should be able to explain the entire process to you. They should be able to tell you if they're going to help you build credit and if they use advanced tactics. They should explain their process. Number 2, how long will the process take? So, every case is different. It's impossible to predict the exact time, but they can tell you what the average turnaround time is. And then number 3, do you have a money-back guarantee? Any reputable credit repair company will have a money-back guarantee. The terms of the guarantee may vary from company to company, but you should not work with a company that does not have a money-back guarantee. And the 4th question is, how will you keep me updated throughout the process while working with you? So, staying updated throughout the process is important. You're investing your money to improve your financial future. So almost all forward-thinking, modern, reputable credit repair companies utilize online software to keep their clients updated. You should not use any company that does not give you 24/7 access to conveniently track the progress of your credit repair online. Use these questions to help you guide you in making a great choice when choosing a credit repair company. If you're still looking for professional help with your credit, I'd love to help you. Just take a minute and schedule a free consultation so we can talk.